What do you think is the best thing about being a star kid, and what's the worst thing about being a star kid?
The best thing I would say is that you have a living, breathing example in your own home. So you don't really lose your center. I think you are aware of the ups and downs of the industry. So you have perspective on that because it's not something so new. For me, I never, when I started coming out in the media, for me that thing was never like stardom in that sense. I knew कि चला भी जा सकता है. So I never got too, ऐसा हुआ भी नहीं है मेरे साथ कि I've received some very high stardom or anything, but छोटा मोटा भी बहुत हुआ है. So like I've gotten swayed with it because मैंने घर पे देखा है कि जा भी सकता है. Maybe that's the best thing, that you have like an example, a reality check, and humbling and grounding and that. And I'm not saying कि नहीं है, but this is what I've realized कि when you have an example at home. And जो negative बात है, I think people make you ashamed of where you come from, being a star kid. Like people, like I don't want to be ashamed of my father. Like he's come from a family of doctors. He wanted to be an actor. He became an actor and he's created a legacy for himself and people remember him and they love his work. So I don't want to disassociate with him. I don't want to not be known as his daughter. So I think the negative part is that people have made it a bad word. And I don't think it's a bad word. Like people have made you more aware when you're watching something on screen ki, oh, ye iski beti. It doesn't need to be like that. Like people should just go in and think what they have to, and they do think what they have to. But I think it's become very divided. Ye insider, ye outsider. This one has this one has that. Like the industry has given us so much. Audience has given us all so much. There are people from film families who are thriving, and then there are people who not from film families, and they're thriving sometimes even more. Like, look at Shah Rukh sir, like the biggest star in our country. He's not from a film family. So I think it's about the person more than anything.
So you feel that outsiders don't get shamed enough as insiders?
But there's nothing to shame them about. Like there's no immediate tag to shame them by. I think they've made this star kid term an insult, which I don't think is nice.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.